Life has flourished on Earth for millions of years. Creatures large and small have found ways to adapt and evolve to thrive in all possible types of environments. From the barren wastelands of the Sahara and Antarctica to the lush forests of the Amazon, life can be found everywhere. The Earth has been perfecting these creatures since the dawn of life. But recently, everything changed, when new life forms appeared all over the world, completely changing the balance of nature, human society, and everything we know about evolution. Therefore, at the International Griot Research Institute, we study these new life forms, trying to educate the public about them and their wonderful lifestyle in order to better understand them. New life forms are now part of the global ecosystem and humanity must learn to coexist with them. First of all, what are these new life forms? Since their explosive appearance and spread across the globe in 1931, there has been much debate about who they are and where they actually come from. Are these extraterrestrial beings trying to blend into human society in order to conquer and enslave the world? Are there reptilians and demons already ruling the Earth? No. These creatures and their entire life cycle comes only from the Earth and the human mind. At least according to science. The origins of these creatures are not exactly known. They appeared out of nowhere with the development of technology after World War I. We don't know why or for what purpose, but now Earth has become their home. Today, these creatures remain mysterious and not fully explained, but what is certain is that they consist of 70% water and mainly internal organs, bones, muscle, and fat tissue. They closely resemble the appearance of unshaven humans and enjoy store-bought meat. Compared to other Earth organisms, inside them can be found excessive amounts of beryllium and erbium, far exceeding the vital parameters of other known species. Due to these features, they were named Ankh. Ankh species are characterized by feeding on decomposing organic matter, mainly heat-treated meat, excluding that prepared by other Ankh species. They occur only in places where the above-mentioned elements and raw meat are found. Each new colony, please do not use the term infection, which is extensively used in the media, as these are also organisms that now inhabited the Earth with us. Each new colony begins with the appearance of Mustache. These are elongated multicellular collagen outgrowths resembling the small intestine with the only difference in dark brown coloring. The mustache grows in a similar way to mold or fungi, taking the form of colonies. Each tentacle is equipped with veins, arteries, and other transport systems adapted to transport nutrients taken from the environment. The tips of the mustache are equipped with special organelles used to absorb water and organic matter necessary for their growth. The source of the material is mainly found in dirt, soil, and food remains. With the help of the previously mentioned organelles, Mustache, primarily hollow inside, uses the osmosis to effortlessly absorb every particle that comes into contact with them. For this reason, each mustache is also equipped with a filter protected against toxins, which filters, as according to our research, prove that they are able to stop even nicotine smoke. With the help of numerous mitochondria and gastric-like organs on the base, the mustache converts organic nutrients into usable energy. Although the mustache obtains energy mainly from the environment, it is able to produce it using a sophisticated form of photosynthesis. The dark pigmentation of some mustache and the negligible amounts of coffee and asbestos help absorb sunlight and more effectively. To use photosynthesis, the mustache must enter the so-called crawl, when it enters a vegetative state, reducing all its vital functions to just the beating of the heart, the rhythmic worm-like movements of the entire body. Due to its efficiency, the mustache is able to grow in any environment on Earth, but it usually prefers the warm and moist indentations that the human knows. Thanks to this, it quickly spread around the world and can now be found everywhere. The recent incorporation of Mustache into the ecosystem has resulted in many major changes to the local balance of nature. It can be noticed, however, that although the mustache is more prevalent than other species of competitors, it has a positive impact on the environment due to its unique lifestyle. During its life cycle, the mustache slowly moves to increasingly warmer, dark, and tighter places in the environment, and at the end of its life cycle it turns into a useful compost that has a nutritious effect on the quality of plants. The overpopulation of plants in the vicinity of rotting mustache results in an increase in the number of herbivores and, in turn, an increase in predators that feed on both herbivores and the mustache. Presence of a large number of animals leads large amounts of organic waste conducive to the growth of the mustache, closing the food cycle, maintaining each population in a perfect ecological equilibrium. Humanity also uses mustache to its advantage, due to the supernatural growth rate and the abundance of nutrients, including radioactive ones. The mustache and crown are cultivated in many households in an ecological manner. After abundant crown, the mustache are collected and processed into fertilizer, which significantly improves the quality and quantity of crops. Mustache can also be used as a source of food for humans, but due to their unfriendly appearance and earthy taste, they have not been widely adopted in cuisine around the world. The mustache also plays a very important role in the development of higher forms of the ant species, paving the way and preparing the environment for their arrival. As already mentioned, the mustache will sometimes settle on a human nose, thus adding the human to the ant species, allowing the mustache to live as an independent animal. This leads to the next stage of symbiosis, which we will discuss. Shrinks!